Welcome to Classics, baby. I hear you've got what it takes to reach the top of the league. Let's get to work. You know what I mean. Wink, wink. Wink, wink. Oh yeah, okay. This is as slow as it will ever get. 10 miles an hour. Whoa. It's like... you're gonna die. I'm freaking mean to her car. Like, not even funny. I'm just trying to mess up her car anyway. No two cars are the same. Adapt to your ride. Hey, everybody loves Raymond. I was getting up in the 130s, and then I was like, nope. You're in 114. It's all racing. It's also about restoring classic cars. Each time you restore, your bodywork gets better looking. Yeah, I know. I like that car. And each tire will fix up your wheels so to work and some heads. Turn some heads. Well, I don't really care about turning heads, so I think I'm good. Loved or unloved? I mean, I like to love cars because they're pretty, but they're not cheap. You need a lot of work, man. You need a lot of work. To buy this. Let's go to it. Okay. Yeah, I'm actually gonna make this guy look a whole lot better right now. $600, dude. This thing's cheap. This thing looks good. City map. Oh yeah, let's go race, man. But it's only a 139. It sucks. This thing sucks. Okay. 80. Hurry. Eddie's a loser. Restore your body work. Some diesel are upgraded automatically when you restore your body work. Oh, so he's an easy 2000er? Oh yeah, guys, you guys are going to be watching this and you're being like, what the heck are you trying to do? Well, I'm trying to get a T5 car for 290 gold. I know it seems impossible, but it's possible. Very possible, because they put out a 75% deal when you beat this guy, Marco. Yeah, I'll go race him. You do know what a jukebox is, right? Comment down below if you know what a jukebox is. Like, I'm going faster than his car. It's like, no, I must win. No, I will not. What was he in? I don't know. I don't really care now. Because I beat him. Yeah, okay. Tap here to upgrade your car. What is there to upgrade? Oh yeah, I can upgrade that. Yeah. You know what? I like the looks of my car. I don't even want it now. I just like the looks of it. Yeah. Okay, let's go race, man. Here, I'll tell you what. If you die... Whoa, what's up there for YouTube? Oh yeah, I'm racing like a son of a gun. So it's 80 versus 145. Next. Anyways, I'm just gonna have to say bye, y'all.